Welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with motions problem on average speed, part 9. Here is the ninth question. A man walks a distance of 50 meter in 1 minute and other 50 meter in 1.5 minute. Is the motion uniform? Also find his average speed in meter per second. So here they are saying that a man is walking 50 meter. He has walked the distance of 50 meter in 1 minute. And similarly, again he walked for 50 meter in 1.5 minute, right? Minutes. Is the motion uniform? Is he walking in a same speed? So here to find out whether the motion is uniform or non-uniform, you need to find the speed in each case. This is case 1 and this is case 2. In both the cases, if the speed is equal, same, then it is uniform. If it is different, then it comes under non-uniform, right? So first here let's understand. Here there is a man and he is walking for a distance 50 meter in 1 minute. In 1 minute he traveled 50 meter, and again in the second case, again he started to walk and walked 50 meter. Again he walked another 50 meter in 1.5 minute. Is it uniform or not? This is the question. And also they are asking the average speed in meter per second. We need to find the average speed in meter per second. So I hope you understood the question, because in word problems always understanding a question plays a great role. If you are able to understand a question, then you can easily. Here is the ninth question. A man walks a distance of 50 meter in 1 minute and other 50 minute in 1.5 meter. Is the motion non-uniform? Also find the average speed in meter per second. So here, first of all, let's write the given data in first case, right? In first case, they have given the distance. Since you are having two cases, I'm writing it as D1 50 meter and T1 time is 1 minute, right? And here we need to find out the speed. Speed is equal to how much? So we all know the distance formula. From this itself, we are going to derive the speed, right? Distance is equal to speed into time. For finding out the distance, keep the distance as it is and get all the other numbers or anything on the either side, right? Because we need to find the speed. So whatever you need to find, keep it on the one side and get all the other on the other stuff on the uh, next side. So we need to get this time on the either side of the equal to. For getting it, what is the sign between them? Multiplication. So when you are getting this time on the either side, multiplication becomes division, right? So that means distance by time is equal to speed. This is the formula of the speed. So if you remember this formula, you can able to change this into two different formulas while finding out speed as well as time. I hope it's clear how did I derive a formula from this distance, right? So just substitute these values over here. Always speed is in meter per second, right? But look here, it is meter per minute. So we should change this minute into meter. Sorry, minute into seconds. So what is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So just substitute the 60 seconds in place of this 1 minute. So it becomes 50 meter by 60 seconds is equal to speed. Now you can just do the cancellation and you will get 0.833 meter per second. We are changing it into seconds because what is the SI unit of speed? It is meter per second. For that reason, I have changed this minute into seconds. I hope it's clear. Similarly, let's solve the second case. In second case, it is D2 is 50 meter and T2 is 1.5 meter minute. Sorry children. T2 is 1.5 minute, and we need to find out the speed. Even here it's the same, distance is equal to speed into time, and we need to find the speed. So keep the speed on the same side and get the time on the either side. It becomes distance by time is equal to speed, and this is the formula. And now we are going to just substitute these values over here. That is 50 meter by 1.5 minute is equal to speed. Even here it's the same thing. Always the speed should be in meter per second, right? But here it is in minutes. So our main aim is to change this minute into seconds. For changing it, I'm just writing it as 1.5 into 1 minute, right? You can write even 1.5 minute has 1.5 into 1 minute. I'm just changing the format so that it would be clearly understand. So what is 1 minute? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So in place of this 1 minute, just substitute the 60 seconds. So it becomes 50 minute by 1.5 into 60 seconds is equal to speed. Now you can just do the cancellation, and what is the speed? In second case 0.555 meter per second. Look here, both the speeds are different. That means it is non-uniform. Hence we have proved it. Now they have asked us to find the average speed in meter per second. So what is the average speed formula? Average speed formula is total distance covered by time taken, right? This is the formula, and let's check whether we have all the data or not. Look here, it's distance covered. Do you have a distance? Yes, but they have given in two cases, right? So since they have asked the total distance, we need to add this d1 and d2, right? And even they have asked for the total time throughout the journey. So here they have given in two splits, that is t1 and t2. So we need to add those both, right? So first let's find the total distance covered is equal to d1 plus d2. So what is d1? 50 meter, and d2 50 meter. If you add both, it will be 100 meter. Similarly, now time, total time taken is t1 plus t2. What is t1? 1 minute plus 1.5 minute. When you add it, you will get 2.5 minute. Now just substitute these values over here. You will get 100 meter by 2.5 minute. Since they have asked in meter per second, even here you need to change it this minute into seconds, right? For changing it, you can just write this 2.5 minute has 2.5 into 1 minute. So just replace this 1 minute with 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? So see, 1 minute you can just replace it with 60 seconds, so that you can remove this minutes and change it into 60 seconds. So 10 minute, sorry, 100 meter by 2.5 into 60 seconds. I have just replaced this 1 minute with 60 seconds, children, nothing more. I hope it's clear. Now just do the cancellation and you will get 0.66 meter per second. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button. If you want to check for many more problems on motions, check the description box. I have given the links over there. Thank you.